For any exam of point of view, thermodynamics is very important subject. So I will discuss today important question for thermodynamics which is asked in competitive exams. First question is, a definite area or a space where some thermodynamics process takes place is known as thermodynamic system. A closed system is one in which heat and work crosses the boundary of the system, but the mass of the working substance does not crosses the boundary of the system. Yes, it is very true, because in closed system heat and work crosses the boundary of the system. An open system is one in which option C, both the heat and work as well as mass of the working substance crosses the system. Next, fourth question. In an isolated system, neither the heat and work nor the mass of the working substance crosses the boundary of the system. Fourth, yes, it is very true, because isolated system, very closed system, and there is no transfer of heat, work and mass. Next question. In an extensive property of thermodynamics, extensive heat is transferred, extensive work is done, extensive energy is utilized. None of these. The answer is none of these. The thermodynamics property of a system is said to be intensive property whose value for the system dash the sum of their value for the individual parts of the system. The option is not equal to the sum of their value of individual part of the system. Next question. The property of the system whose value for the entire system is equal to the sum of their values for the individual parts of the system is called extensive property. Option A. Which of the following is the extensive property of a thermodynamic system? 8 का B. Because intensive property means which independent of mass, and extensive property those property which depend on mass. The trick we can learn it by DPEX. And intensive property and means independent of mass. Now next question. Which of the following is an intensive property of a thermodynamic system? It is asking about intensive property. Intensive property is the property which is independent of mass. The answer is temperature. The specific volume of a system is an intensive property. All the specific properties in thermodynamics are intensive property. Please learn it, note down. The all specific property are intensive property. Next question. The absolute zero temperature is taken as -273. Next question. Which of the following is correct? Absolute pressure is equal to gauge pressure plus atmospheric pressure. Gauge pressure equal to absolute pressure plus atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure equal to absolute pressure plus gauge pressure. Absolute pressure equal to gauge pressure plus atmospheric pressure. Answer A is true, because gauge pressure plus atmospheric pressure equal to absolute pressure. The standard value of atmospheric pressure taken at sea level is. It is important question because 1 point. Please learn these values. 1.013 bar, 760 mm of Hg, and 1013 into 10 power 3 Newton per meter square. All of these have same values. The value of 1 bar in SI unit is equal to. Option D is correct. The value of 1 mm of Hg is equal to 133.3 Newton per meter square. Please learn these values. These are most important questions. These values can be used in numerical section. Next 16 question. The reading of the pressure gauge 20 bar. The atmospheric pressure is 1 bar and the value of G is itna. The absolute pressure in the vessel is. The option is C is correct because in this pressure gauge value is given and G is given, so we can calculate the absolute pressure according to the given formula. We have used this formula. We have already used this formula. By using this formula we can answer this question. Now 17th question. The condition of temperature and pressure 273 Kelvin and 760 mm of Hg termed as normal temperature and pressure. The unit of energy in SI unit is. This is very simplest question, but most of students are confused in this question. The option A is SI unit of energy. The energy is SI unit is joule. Next question. The unit of power in SI unit is kilowatt. Yes, it is true. 1 kilowatt is equal to. Option C is correct, 1000 Newton meter per second. Thank you for watching this video. For more useful videos and more important questions, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.